There's a view of, I think that is Kanlaon over there. Kanlaon Volcano. A view from Bohol. That's Cebu off there. Cebu over there, and that's the plume from the volcano, I believe. From our hilltop studio house here. I think it's still erupting over there. Quite a big plume. Tuesday afternoon here. The hills of Bohol once again. Show a little update on the progress on our little studio house here. Been doing the tile work downstairs. Got most of the tiles done down here. Just got to start doing around the edging and stuff, so still got the little kitchenette area to do, and then the entryway here. This entryway is all got to be done. Our little kitchenette here. To get the tiles all in, we'll start doing our countertops. Now the fun part begins. Start doing all the tile cutting. Got one more piece there to put in the corner there. Then everything else is going to need to be cut. Got this little closet area underneath the stairs that needs to get tiled as well. And our little closet over here where the screen doors are, we need to get all done. You got our...
It's wet there. It's wet.
Yeah. Yes, I know.
Yes, I know. And you already
I didn't.
to step on it.
I didn't.
Oh, your living bar? Mine has it.
Told you.
said, we've been looking for it.
The bathroom.
This is what Sunny meant to, bro.
Daddy, where's the water?
Bro,
Yeah?
this is what Sunny meant to.
Daddy, where's the water?
We can just
No
leave
water
it.
yet.
Daddy, but where's the water you brought?
Oh, it's upstairs.
I think we can finish it. It's just around here. Yeah.
Yep.
This is what he meant. Right here.
Huh?
I need to come here in the
Stairs are all done.
tomorrow. So the nose, the only thing they're gonna put here is until here, and transition from here.
Well, that's it for the update, guys.